Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons. Today is our Patreon in review video, and this is where I review the 5 videos that went out this week. And if it's something that you're interested in and you're not a patron, please feel free to come join us. It's $5 a month. You can join at any time for an advertisement-free set of videos. You'll get access to the 5 that I made this past week, plus any Patreon video I've ever made. So I think it's a good choice for you to take these, and if these videos sound like something you could use, come join us. So the first video I made last week was getting started and taking too long with your routines. So if you've had a problem getting started with your routine, this might help you. If you're poking along in your routines, this might also help you. I know I've had a lot of requests for these answers, and here they are in this particular video. All right, the next one we did was your key to unlocking the FlyLady system. Have you always wondered why you haven't been able to unlock the FlyLady system? This video gives you the key. The third video I have is decluttering and mind reset. The fourth one is incorporating laundry into your day and helping your children incorporate laundry. And that is a very interesting one for lots of people who have never tried that with their kids. And the last one I did was being present for your family. I think the title says it all. I think it's a really great video, and I know you'll enjoy it. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.